Hey everyone, I'm Jacob Lucky with the Kicker Tech Force, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our new and improved Harley Kits. Stick around and I'll tell you all about it. These Harley Kits are perfect for anybody that's trying to add rich, detailed sound to their bike at any speed. Included in the kit is a plug-and-play wiring harness that makes this installation as simple as possible. We also include our new 6.5-inch speakers that have a redesigned mounting plate around the outer edge. This makes it so that you can mount these speakers directly into your bike's fairing without the need of a separate adapter bracket. These speakers are weather resistant, so they can handle anything that Mother Nature throws at them. Also included in the kit is this 300-watt 4-channel amplifier. It produces 50 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohms and 75 watts RMS per channel at 2 ohms. The amplifier is also weather resistant, so a little bit of water and dust is not going to be a problem. It mounts perfectly to this bracket that goes in a predetermined location inside your fairing without any drilling. We also include these nice, streamlined black mesh grills that'll go great with any color scheme on your bike, and the kit also includes all the mounting hardware required to get it installed. For more specific fitment information, visit our website at kicker.com or call our tech support team at 405-533-6007.